Thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Bergen County and eastern Pennsylvania, Carbon County in northeastern Pennsylvania,
The AR-50 got it.
Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania until 7:45 p.m. At 7:02 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Nesquehoning to near Kutztown,
Not ready for
moving northeast at 30 miles per hour.